हेलो इंजीनियर्स, कैसे हो आप सब? होपफुली यू आर वेल, आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन. सो होपफुली आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि यू हैव सेट अप Eclipse, Java, TestNG all in your system. So let's get started. This is your second lecture where we will discuss about the get, post, put, delete. This is the basic method we have need to discuss now. So first of all, we have need to create the one project, Maven project, and use the create simple project and give the name. Just shared automation. Okay. And copy paste here and put here. Give me a moment. Now we have need to finish. Now you can see this is the rest assured option is coming. Okay, so in the test source test Java, always automation or test case related, whatever we are doing, the development test cases, yeah, script related to automation, so all the things we will done in the test source test Java folder. So we will create one package method and finish. Inside the method we will create one class, all method. Now we are on this page. So now already I have created the Maven project on the Eclipse. Now we are going to discuss about the methods, because this lecture about the HTTP method. So first of all, you have need to understand what is the HTTP methods, right? Before without know this, so how you will proceed. So first of all, we will understand what is the HTTP method. HTTP method tell the server what action the client want to perform on the resource. This is the HTTP method. HTTP methods tell the server client want. That's it. And there is the multiple. I will not create any detail kind of the theory, but we will cover very basic so that you can understand in a detail. So there are so many kind of the methods which we use. First is the get, another is the post, next is the put. There's a lot of methods, but we frequently use only the patch. Patch is optional, then delete. So come to the point. First, now is the get. Get purpose is what? Get purpose is get purpose is retrieve the data from server. No changes on server. We only fetching the data from the server. No changes. So what kind of the matter? What the key points of the get? Use for reading. Usually no request body. Safe method does not modify data. And duplicate like same request or same result. This is the, let me clear so that I can write in a clear way. How the HTTP URL, then which the data you are looking for, user, and then ID. We will discuss the param. Come to the post. Post, what is the post? Post is create a new resource on the server. New resource or resources, whatever. The server. Example, URL and then users. Inside the users, we are creating one user. How? Then it will request a body. How the request body? In the JSON format, because we are going to learn the rest assured. So we will follow the JSON. What is the structure of the JSON? Starting or ending with the curly braces, and the key and value, name, and always remember, always key will be same like the JSON is follow or structure is follow on the server. Otherwise it will not able to create a data on the server. So as that academy, I will show you in a practical way. Okay. An email sdatacademy@gmail.com. Okay. What is the key point we are covering here? Key points is used for creating data goes to a request body, not or same request twice can create two user. No idempotent like not idempotent. Same request twice cannot create two user. Can create two user. Next, come to the next. Next is the put. Put purpose is the replace. Replace the entire resource with the new data. Example URL, user, a particular user like that. Okay. Request body, location, name, key, as that. Now what I want to change? I want to change as that again. And email. I want to change email here. Okay. So key point. What is the key point here? Key point is use for the full update. Use for update or for update. Okay. If a field is missing, it may get revoked, removed, or overwritten depend on backend. If field is missing, it may get a removed or overwritten. What is saying? Saying is, let's suppose I am just changing the name only, but there is an email also exists. So it will the field will be removed or overwrite this. Overwrite is it will change only this one. It will be safe inside. That's it's depend on the backend of what the we are allowing to client. Next is the patch. As such, in my real-time scenario where I'm performing backend testing, so patch is not frequently using in my framework, but as for the knowledge perspective, we can discuss. Patch, patch purpose update only specific field. We can update with the put also, but patch is used for the specific one of an existing resource. And request body, a request body. Let's suppose email, and email will be a specific one as that academy @gmail.com like that. Okay, what is the key used for the partial update? Use for the partial update and lighter than put. Often idempotent but depends on the implementation. Come is the very important delete method. Purpose to delete a resource from server. Example URL we'll discuss users and particular user one. Use key points used for deleting and deleting again won't change result. Okay. So this is the very important which is frequently used get post post delete. So let's get started. We will discuss. So now is the last one. We will get used for retrieve data or read data. Read data. Post. or create a new disease, create a new data, put, replace, full data, patch, update, partial data, delete, remove data. Then this is a very frequently used. We will discuss. Okay, so let's get start on the clips. Or post all the methods over there. So we will use this API. Post for the 100 posts are there, and get there are the so many fake APIs. So we will use for the testing perspective or understand the topic. So now we will go with the one by one. Get method. Come here. You have need to understand or ensure before to write any run any API code. First, you have need to add the dependency rest assured dependency. Latest one you can pick from the dependency side where you can search the dependency.
How?
We click on the when and before get 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 is what parameter post and forward slash and then slash and one dot then dot status 200 then dot log all log all just for the all the detail we are getting, right? Nothing else.
How?
We are saying like we are the method is following the coming method, and this one is the first one method, that's why it is not showing here, but this one here it is mean it is following the next method. Okay, let's see the result. Yeah, you can see the result here. This is the detail, this is the method which we are getting, or this is the parameter we are passing the post and one, this is the user id 1 or id 1 or title this one and body this one we are getting, or log dot all, what is the definition or what the use if we are removing this. So what we will semicolon here and then Run again.